Hello guys, welcome to Raihan's Eyes. Today's video is about the top 15 business ideas for students. We make it in 3 parts, so today I am going to show some most unique and creative money-earning ideas. Do subscribe, like, comment, and share. Let's go to the video. Starting an online business as a beginner in 2023 can be a rewarding venture. Here are some online business ideas suitable for beginners. Dropshipping. Create an e-commerce store and partner with suppliers to sell their products. You won't need to manage inventory as products are shipped directly to customers. Platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce make it easy to set up a dropshipping store. Print on demand. Design custom merchandise such as t-shirts, hoodies, phone cases, or mugs, and sell them through a print-on-demand service. When customers order, the items are printed and shipped on demand. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services on your website or social media and earn a commission for each sale made through your referral links. Many companies offer affiliate programs. Content creation. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast around a niche you're passionate about. Monetize through advertising, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, or selling digital products like ebooks or courses. Online coaching or consulting. If you have expertise in a particular field, offer online coaching or consulting services. You can use platforms like Zoom or Skype to connect with clients. Remember that the success of any online business depends on factors such as market research, a well-defined target audience, effective marketing, and consistent effort. It's important to choose a business idea that aligns with your interests and skills, as this will make the process more enjoyable and sustainable. Additionally, consider seeking advice from experienced entrepreneurs or utilizing online resources and courses to build your knowledge and skills. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for new video.